Forget the rest. This is your ultimate travel destination for 2025. Welcome to Zanzibar, a breathtaking haven that embraces diversity while flaunting its stunning turquoise shores. Picture this. You just landed. You're greeted by the vibrant hum of market life, the shimmering waters of the Indian Ocean, and warm smiles that immediately make you feel at home. Zanzibar is more than a postcard. It's a celebration of culture, color, and connection. Feel the powder-soft sand beneath your feet at Nungwi Beach. Smell the intoxicating blend of spices wafting from the bazaars of Stone Town. Hear the tranquil rhythm of the waves and the soulful melodies of local taarab music. Each moment here is unforgettable. Did you know Zanzibar is one of the safest and most LGBTQ+ friendly destinations in Africa? The locals are welcoming, and there's a vibrant, inclusive space for everyone. Travel where you're celebrated, because you deserve nothing less. Quick tips to make the most of your trip? Visit during the dry season from June to October for ideal weather. Make sure to indulge in a sunset dhow cruise. Explore local gems like Jambiani Village for an authentic cultural experience. And don't forget to bring home aromatic spices. This is the Spice Island after all. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or connection, Zanzibar promises all three and more. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, because your next unforgettable journey starts here. Subscribe to Destination Travel for more insider tips and bucket list inspiration. Your next adventure is just a click away.